Hi everyone, and welcome to day number 12 of your warm-ups. So we're going to start out with a scientific notation problem. And in our scientific notation problem, remember that we're shifting that decimal over until our base number has one whole number and then a decimal. So that means that I'm going to shift this number over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different times. And since I'm moving it 5 different times to the right, I'm going to write 4.7 times 10. And since I'm moving it to the right, I'm going to write -5. Okay, now moving on to problem number 2. I'm going to rewrite my equation. So that I can show my work. Now, what I'm going to do here, since that 4.5 is outside of the parentheses, I'm going to use that number and I'm going to distribute it to both numbers inside of the parentheses. Now, when I do that, 4.5 times x is going to give me 4.5x. And 4.5 times 7 is going to give me -31.5. And then on the other side, I'm just going to copy down what that equation is. What that expression is. Then I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides. And when I do that, that's going to give me 1.5x minus 31.5 is equal to 9. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 31.5 to both sides. That's going to give me 1.5x is equal to 40.5. Now that I've gotten to here, I am going to divide by 1.5 in order to isolate my variable. That's going to give me x is equal to positive 27 as my final answer. Now, for problem number 3, it is a simple interest problem. I know that because it tells me in the problem that we're using simple interest. My formula for simple interest is I is equal to PRT. I'm going to split that equal sign, and since it's asking me for how much interest I've earned on this account, and the simple interest formula actually does tell me interest, then I'm just going to start substituting my numbers to give me a final interest, of 37.69 as my final answer. And this will be the final amount of interest that was added back. Okay, so that's your warm-up for day number 12. Thanks for watching.